Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best creatine drinks is probably one of the most sought-after supplements in the fitness world, promising enhanced performance and muscle growth, but with so many brands and formulas available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we will dive into the top creatine drinks on the market, comparing their ingredients, taste, effectiveness, and value to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect creatine drink to support your fitness goals. Number 5. Nutricost Creatine. Looking to boost your strength and endurance? This creatine monohydrate powder is a great way to support your fitness goals. It's available in delicious fruit punch flavor or unflavored. It's micronized, meaning it mixes easily into your favorite drinks. No more clumps or gritty texture. Experience the benefits of increased strength and improved endurance. It's perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Each container comes with a convenient scoop for easy measuring. Just add 1 scoop to your water or shake. It's made in a NSF-certified, GMP-compliant, and FDA-registered facility, ensuring the highest quality in safety standards. You can trust it. Enjoy the delicious fruit punch flavor. It's a great way to add a boost to your workout routine. Or choose unflavored if you prefer. What we like. If you enjoy a refreshing workout boost, this creatine is for you. Its delicious flavors make supplementation enjoyable, unlike other options. If you're looking for a tasty way to improve strength and endurance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The micronized form ensures better solubility and absorption, making it more effective and easier to mix compared to non-micronized creatine. This supplement effectively supports enhanced strength, endurance, and muscle recovery. The micronized texture makes the powder dissolve easily in water or other liquids. It's unflavored, so it can be mixed with protein shakes or pre-workout drinks without altering the taste. Number 4. On Micronized Creatine. It's the ultimate muscle-building supplement. Get ready to experience enhanced strength and power. Each serving delivers a potent dose of micronized creatine monohydrate for optimal absorption. It's that simple. It helps you build muscle size, strength, and power, especially when combined with intense workouts. See the results for yourself. No more mixing powders. These easy-to-swallow capsules make supplementing your fitness routine a breeze. It's perfect for those following a ketogenic diet. Enjoy the benefits without disrupting your macros. You're in good hands with a brand known for its quality and commitment to excellence. It's rigorously tested for banned substances. Find the perfect size to fit your needs. Choose from 100, 200, or 300 capsules. Protect it from heat and sunlight to prevent melting or damage. Please be available to receive your delivery. What we like. For those seeking a hassle-free way to boost their fitness, these capsules are ideal. The keto-friendly formula is perfect for those following a ketogenic diet. If you value convenience and quality, this option is unmatched. What people say. Good on the go when traveling and you can't just bring white powder around. Seems to be pure creatine, works like all the other creatines that I have tried. I will take pills over powder any day. These are great, take one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Doesn't make me bloated like other creatine. Number 3. NatureBell Creatine. It is a pure, unflavored creatine monohydrate powder, perfect for pre- or post-workout. It's micronized for superior absorption, easily mixing into your favorite drinks. It uses the most effective monohydrate form for optimal results. Each container provides 100 servings of 5,000 milligrams, supporting muscle building for everyone from beginners to experienced lifters. This supplement supports energy, endurance, strength, and power. These benefits can also boost your confidence and motivation. Creatine is naturally produced in the body but is often depleted. It provides a convenient way to replenish your creatine levels for peak performance. It's easily absorbed, non-GMO, and made with keto and vegan-friendly ingredients. It's also third-party lab tested for purity and potency. Try it and start dominating your workouts. This micronized creatine monohydrate powder will help you achieve your fitness goals. What we like. If you prefer a pure, unflavored creatine that easily blends into any drink, this is it. Its vegan-friendly formula is suitable for a wide range of diets. If you prioritize purity and versatility, this is the best option. What people say. The powder mixes easily with water and doesn't leave any gritty texture. The capsule form is incredibly convenient, making it so much easier to take compared to the traditional powder. No more drinking sand water, just a quick and easy way to get my daily dose of creatine. The micronized formula ensures excellent absorption, and I've noticed great results in my workouts. No garbage ingredients, 100% creatine monohydrate, very important. No jitters, no dry mouth, no headaches, as long as you stay hydrated. Muscle tonality has been amazing in just a few weeks. My strength and the ability to push through hard sets has been impalpable. Number 2. Cellucor Creatine. It helps you increase your muscular power, endurance, and growth. This is because it harnesses the power of creatine monohydrate to help you reach your fitness goals. It helps you build and maintain lean muscle. Each serving provides 5 g of creatine monohydrate to support your muscle growth. It mixes easily and dissolves well in water. This is due to the micronization of the creatine, making it convenient to use. It's caffeine and calorie-free. This makes it perfect to use alone or with your pre-workout supplement. Please be available to receive your delivery. Exposure to heat or sunlight may damage it. This product comes with 72 servings, providing a long-lasting supply to support your fitness journey. What we like. If you need a creatine that mixes easily and won't interfere with your caffeine intake, this is perfect. It's designed to support muscle growth without any added stimulants. If you want a clean and effective boost, this is your choice. What people say. Introducing this creatine product into my routine made a noticeable difference within 1 to 2 weeks. It provides the necessary boost for an effective workout, allowing me to achieve more in a few months than I did in almost a year. Over the course of a few months, I observed positive changes in my body and the weights I was lifting. I feel that it helps me spar intensely for longer and be less fatigued in jiu-jitsu, as well as complete a few more reps when lifting weights. I really feel like my athletic performance suffered, then noticeably improved after about 2 weeks of taking creatine again. I have noticed a difference in my progress in the gym when I am taking this. We both take this and work out regularly. Number 1. Jacked Factory Growth Surge. It's the ultimate muscle-building supplement. It contains creatine monohydrate, betaine anhydrous, and L-carnitine L-tartrate to support muscle recovery, strength, and lean muscle growth. Consume it post-workout to jumpstart muscle recovery. This scientifically dosed formula uses premium ingredients. It includes creatine monohydrate, a top-quality creatine shown to increase strength, power, endurance, and muscle growth. It stacks effective, research-proven ingredients to minimize fatigue and maximize post-workout recovery and muscle gains. It helps fuel lean muscle growth while increasing strength and endurance. You work hard, so it's crucial to recover and rebuild. This helps improve post-workout muscle recovery, muscle building, and reduce muscle soreness. It helps you feel refreshed and ready for your next workout. Unlike many supplements, it's manufactured under strict quality control standards. It's free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes, ensuring purity and potency. What we like. If you're focused on post-workout recovery and maximizing muscle growth, this is your ideal choice. The formula is designed to support muscle recovery and growth. If you're looking to optimize your results after intense training, this is the one for you. What people say. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Jacked Factory Growth Surge is a post-workout staple worth adding to your regimen. It provides effective recovery and muscle-building support. Growth Surge flavor is great. Definitely taking my workout to the next level. I train at home with dumbbells, calisthenics, loop bands. I'm doing 4 days a week, 14 to 16 sets to failure, and I can really tell I have more in the gas tank and recovery to be able to push myself harder with less volume. I've only used this product for a month, but I feel like it's working. I get DOMS really bad. I still need 1 day to recover from a good squat or deadlift day. But my chest and shoulders are recovering quicker. I have noticed some pretty good shoulder growth from the last month. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.